my name is Mercedes LaBelle. I'm the lead policy analyst at Northern Policy Institute, and I'm based out of Sudbury, Ontario. Northern Policy Institute is Northern Ontario's independent think tank. We have offices in Thunder Bay, Sudbury, and Kirkland Lake. So, what is Experience North? Experience North is a 4-month placement program where up to 10 students have the opportunity to learn about public policy, communications, operations, and finance. We've been running this program since 2014 and have had our summer students located all across Northern Ontario.
I'm Maya Middlestead. I'm located in Haileybury and I'm a policy analyst at Northern Policy Institute. My research project is on small market housing in Northern Ontario. So I've been writing papers on housing trends in rural and remote Northern Ontario and also comparable geographies. Working in Northern Ontario this fall with MPI has been so much fun. There's always been so much to do in my host community of Haileybury and also in the surrounding area and all over Northern Ontario. I've loved researching affordable housing because it really matters in people's lives, but I've also gotten to improve on my data analysis skills, my researching skills, and also just my understanding of policy.
Hi, my name is Lindsey and I'm a policy analyst in Haileybury, Ontario. My role at MPI is to write policy briefing notes to inform policymakers, consultants, activists, First Nations, governments, municipalities, and industries on the circular economy. Living in Timiskaming Shores has been wonderful. From Timmins to Manitoulin Island to Ville Marie, and from art shows to woodland clubs, we've really made the most of it.
I'm Audrey. I'm from Tilbury, Ontario, Canada. I'm a master's grad from the University of Windsor, and I'm an Experience North placement here in Kirkland Lake, Ontario. My experience in Kirkland Lake has been great. I work with talented, intelligent folks that truly make me happy to come to work every day.
Hi everyone, my name is Joel Montagnis. I am an Experience North intern this fall in 2021 with Northern Policy Institute, and I am a research analyst. So I have been working out of Sturgeon Falls, Ontario during this fall intern placement, and it's a beautiful community. As for work at MPI, it's been an excellent experience for me. It's also been nice working on issues that actually affect the world, which is something that certainly motivates me and I get excited about working on.
Hi everyone, my name is Jillian and I'm the Accounting and Operations Assistant here at NPI. My role here at NPI as the Accounting and Operations Assistant is usually just helping Chrissy with all of her daily tasks, specifically financial-wise. So mostly my day-to-day tasks are compiling the monthly financials folder, so working with lots of numbers and getting together all of our financials for the month and then compiling it so that we can look at budgets and forecasts and make sure that all of our NOHFC asks are up to date.
This placement has allowed me to spend my weekdays learning about the regions of Northern Ontario and my weekends out exploring them. I couldn't ask for more.
Working with Charles and Rachel and Chrissy and Corey and the whole crew is one of the best experiences of my life, and it's been fantastic.